If you ever wondered how to extract the text from a picture on your Android, here's how to do that with your Google Lens, and watch it till the end because I'll show you a very good trick. So first of all, you are to open up your gallery and select an picture which you want to be transcribed. For example, in my case, let's select all the text from here. Then you are to open up your Google Lens. Here you are. Usually it's pre-installed. If it's not, simply install it from your Play Store. It's free and it's from Google. It's safe. Choose your lens. Then here tap on this picture icon and choose your screenshot. Then press select text. Or if you don't want to have all of the text, let's choose any area. For example, this area, right? Press select text. Now press copy. And now simply drop it into your notes, for example, or anywhere where you can drop your text, and that's how it works. Works pretty well, I have to say. It's a very convenient tool, and it's a very comfortable tool, right? So now we have a text which we can redact, which we can use, which we can adjust, and so on and so forth. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.